Gina Imperio, and today I am here at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas, and behind me is Sonora Garden Residences. I'll be giving you a quick construction update for today, October 15, 2020.
Hello Sonora Garden Residences unit owners. Today, I'll be giving you an update about the construction status of your property. As you can see, Cadence building structure is already finished while the amenity core are still ongoing. Second building or liran is now on the third level. Units available are 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, and original turnover schedule will start on June 2024. We also offer 12% down payment with an extended down payment promo where the down payment period will be stretched up to June 2026. If you're interested to acquire a property here in Sonora Garden, you may contact me to details posted in the description below.